Call a professional when a toilet repair or replacement involves hidden structural damage, persistent sewer gases, major leaks, or non-standard plumbing that exceeds safe DIY limits. When assessing whether to proceed yourself, start by inspecting visible components and testing for odors and leaks with simple tools like a flashlight and a small mirror. If the flange appears cracked, broken, or corroded, that usually signals a subfloor or drain alignment issue that requires a trained plumber and possibly a carpenter to repair correctly. Persistent sewer gas smell after reseating the wax ring indicates a compromised seal or venting problem and should be addressed by a professional who can test for vent blockages and negative pressure issues. Large or recurring leaks at the base or tank-to-bowl connections suggest hidden water damage and structural rot, so document the leak location and frequency and shut off water until help arrives. Non-standard plumbing, such as cast iron or older galvanized pipes, will need specialized tools and knowledge for cutting, joining, and adapting to modern fittings, so avoid improvising with adapters if you lack experience. If you choose a do-it-yourself route, equip yourself with a flange repair kit, an extra wax-free ring or rubber gasket, a torque-limited wrench, and a moisture meter, and follow step-by-step guides while keeping the shutoff valve ready and a plumber on call. Common mistakes include forcing components that do not align and cracking a new bowl or flange. If parts do not fit, stop and measure the bolt spacing and flange height before pressing further. A second common issue is failing to detect sewer gas after replacement because the new seal was improperly seated. Double-check seal compression. Tighten bolts incrementally and test with a sniff test and a leak check using tissue or a dry paper towel around the base. The third frequent problem is ignoring signs of subfloor rot and simply tightening bolts to stop wobble, lifting the toilet to inspect the flange and surrounding wood, and reinforcing or replacing compromised subfloor before reinstalling. Prevents recurrence and potential safety hazards. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find local contractors and post-project requests so qualified professionals can see real work opportunities. Our site also hosts an active discussion community where we and our members share first-hand advice, ask questions, and compare experiences on when to hire a plumber versus tackle a do-it-yourself toilet project.